In today's workplace, financial stress is a silent disruptor, affecting both employees and businesses in significant ways. And after the holidays, this stress often intensifies. In fact, according to the American Psychological Association, 41% of employees report heightened stress during the holiday season, which can spill over into the workplace, creating a challenging start to the new year. But financial stress doesn't just affect individual employees, it impacts your entire organization. Disengagement, absenteeism, and decreased productivity are common symptoms, costing businesses time and money. But here's the good news. This challenge presents an incredible opportunity to re-engage your team and set the stage for a successful year. How? By tackling one of the root causes, financial stress, through education and support. As financial wellness programs are rapidly becoming a cornerstone of employee benefits, and with 47% of employers planning to offer them by 2026, according to Transamerica. These programs don't just address stress, they boost morale, increase engagement, and improve retention. At Good News Financial, we specialize in creating tailored financial education workshops and tools that help employees take control of their financial lives. And whether it's managing holiday debt, creating a budget, or setting achievable financial goals for the year ahead, we provide actionable strategies that empower employees to feel confident and focused. But it's not just about individual well-being. It's about building a thriving workplace culture. And employers who prioritize financial education see measurable improvements in productivity, team collaboration, and overall morale. And a workplace that feels supported is one that shows up engaged, motivated, and ready to succeed. So as we go through the rest of this year, the time to act is now. By addressing financial stress head on, you can turn challenges into opportunities and create a workplace where both your employees and your business can thrive. Let's work together to make financial education the cornerstone of your employee benefit strategy. Contact us today to learn more about how we can support your team's success.